Bishop Shanahan mortuary. On wabebe ya no vuru ozu nnukwu mmadụ bụ distinguished senator Okey Ezea. That's the convoy of distinguished Senator Okey heading to Itchi. That's the arrival of His Excellency Itchi and Senator Engineer Abaribe and Senator Victor Ume. They are all here.
All right.
They come Israel with the family.
All right.
His Excellency Governor Peter Simba to come Israel with the family.
Can we have the service? May I announce the arrival of the Bishop of Sultan.
That's the arrival of the governor of Enugu State. His Excellency Governor Peter Simba is here with the National Planning Committee Chairman.
Excuse. That's the Director of Enugu State.
Senator Victor.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to announce the arrival of His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Simba, the transformer of Enugu. The Archbishop of Nsukka Diocese is already here with us. Shall we now?
That's Bishop of Nsukka Diocese, Bishop Ona, is here live to pay last respect to Senator Okey Ezea at his country home in Itchi. Igboeze South Local Government area of Enugu State.
Mwere mpoto nkashi nonsu ya bụ nkashi bụ ekwurịta mpoto na-abụ be mpoto nkashi ọzọ etiri ọnụ n'okwu a si ya na ihe mọsa akwọ na-ekwu
Ezea, our good brother who has left us behind. Thank you for finding time to be here. All the people who play different roles to make this succeed. So thank you.
On behalf of the Ezea family, I speak with deep gratitude and have brought comfort to our hearts.
To also thank in a very special way the chairman and all the members of the burial planning committee for your tireless efforts and for all the things you have done to get us to where we are today.
Agọzie ndị niile ahụ ha dị n'ime ili ya mere ndị ahụ ha dị n'ime ili jiri nwee nchekwube karịa na ha ga-esi n'ọnwụ bilite ọzọ. Biko mee ka nwa odibo Cleopas nwee ike ịnọ n'ili nke a zuo ike na ndokwa ka ọ nọrọ na ya ruo mgbe ị ga-ebilite ya nye ya gị onwe gị bụkwa mbilite n'ọnwụ na ndụ mee ka o were ọkụ nke ihu gị hụ ihe dị ebi ebi n'eluigwe ka ihe dị ndụ na-achị ruo mgbe ebighị.
Bien como Okeza, distinguished Senator Okeza. Vida que adopte a Igbo. Adopte a. What's in the family? This is the arrival of the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Godswill Akpabio, to commiserate with the family of Senator Okeza at Itchi in the Igboeze South Local Government area of Enugu State. That's a very big convoy here at Igboeze South. That's the arrival of the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Godswill Akpabio, and the family compound of Senator Okey Ezea at Itchi in the Igboeze South Local Government area of Enugu State.
building, ladies and gentlemen.
You are most welcome. Thank you, Frank and your man, LGA political to the government of Enugu State. And of course, my own Igboeze, Kelela in the Igboeze in the Igboeze South. Igboeze honorable video is one. I think of the Igboeze, I know Ambassador Igboeze. We say a very big welcome to you. My brother, the SSA, to the governor of Enugu State on grassroots mobilization, Enugu North Senatorial District.
In the same manner, we recognize the presence of engineering and development, Professor Anthony Obayi-Oyisi, Chief Oyemetin-Dogo, Professor Okey, Professor Igboeze, Professor Okey, Chief Matthias Okey.
LGA Wanzuka, Z1, I'm cited you are here with us. Of course, I think engineer should have the
Peace must transit. Peace. But and other things that we have never spoken about.